Hi, welcome to JSR DevOps with Ratna. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to debugging JFrog before going to installation. And I explained about previous video how to installation of JFrog. So in this video, I will try to show you how to troubleshoot. So this is the path pwd and bootstrap /opt JFrog Artifactory for bootstrap. So here you can check the ls. Here it has etc directory. You have to create it manually before going to start the JFrog Artifactory. So by using mkdir and give the etc, so it will create it. This etc create path is, if you check /opt JFrog Artifactory or bootstrap, and after that you can go to the app and you have to start the JFrog in the bin directory. So here you can start /artifactory.sh start. Space and give the start, and this is the path cd/artifactory, and here /artifactory.sh start. Before initially going to start the JFrog, so we have to create the directory etc in the bootstrap. Then after that we have to /artifactory.sh start. We have to run this command. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please keep in the comment section. So I will explain in previous video. You can go and check the description here, MV Artifactory, and you have to check the mkdir opt and opt, and if you have any queries, please go through it.